So all the people who makes lots and lots of money are greedy. Money is the reason there is misery in this world. Or successful people are lethal. Successful people don't care about the feelings of other people. There is lots and lots of mishappenings just because of money. And the list is on and on and on. What these things do to a soul, as you and me will hear these things, and these things becomes our belief. These belief becomes subconscious blocks in our minds, and once these things gets inside our subconscious mind, these things becomes our reality. Now whatever reality we live with, we face the same situations in our life. So people think that money comes from hard work. People think that money is not good. People think that money makes people unhappy, and with these kind of mindsets, when you go with life, you get married, you don't get married, you still need food, you have a family to feed. But if you have these kind of things in your mind and you produce negative energy towards money, which means your relationship towards money is not good. Whatever you ask from God, whatever you ask from your deity, whatever you ask from crystals, you go to astrologers, you go to pundits, you go to mystics, you go to saints, you go to healers, and you get some result for temporary basis, and things again changes because you have not changed the very energy of money inside you. Whatever is your money mindset, your life will be like this. So many people think that money comes from hard work, and they don't have time to meditate, they don't have time to give to their families, they don't have time to do anything. They think that money is not good, but in reality they are wasting 90% of their life just to earn few euros and few dollars and few rupees and whatever the amount of money is. People have jobs, 9 to 9 jobs, and just to go for that job they are able to sacrifice their child, they are able to sacrifice their mothers, they are able to sacrifice their family, because inside of them they know that money is important, because once you have that money, only then only you will be able to give money for your rents of apartment, for your many things, your car insurance, these things. Now how money becomes important, this is the point we need to know. Hundreds and hundreds of years ago, we all used to live without money. So how the exchange used to happen? I'm a farmer, I'm making wheat, I'm making rice, so I will take all the rice in my house. You are a goldsmith, you do gold work, so I go to you, goldsmith, only please give me a diamond ring, please give me a gold ring, and in exchange for that gold ring I will give you 50 kgs wheat from me. So money became a transactional activity, that the amount of 50 kgs of wheat is this amount of money, and with this amount of money I can purchase the gold ring. And this how money entered into the market, because we as a society created money. In reality, money is nothing. It is just a transactional activity which happens. It means if you are having a good transactional power inside you, your money vibration is good. And if your transactional power is low, you will not have enough money. So transactional power in spirituality is the energy of Mooladhara and Kundalini. Once you evoke these transactional activities, whatever you say, people will follow. Whatever you say, people get inspired. Whatever offer you give to people, they will accept, because your transactional power is high. So in other words, your transactional power increases, your money making capacity increases, your business making capacity increases, and people start to follow you even more and more. You will see that there are many people who look beautiful. You will start to get attracted by them. They may not have money in their pocket right now, but if they decide that they will do any kind of business, they will be successful. Because in spirituality, if you have healed your Muladhara chakra, your transactional power is more, definitely it will be reflected in your life. You may not eat non-veg food, you may not do many kind of harmful things for the society, but once you have good amount of money in your pocket, you can give donations like I personally do. You can help many people with money who don't have money. You can make things with money. You can make ashrams, you can make temples, you can make many things to awake the power of humankind. And like this, I'm recording this in something, it cost me money, obviously. So if you want to inspire people also, if you want to help other people also, then also you may need some transactions, because this is not a universal law. Money is not a universal law, but universe works on the law of exchange only. That is also exchange universe do with you. Whatever you do, universe reflects back at you. So, in our Money Reiki workshop, we will be talking about in-depth topics, how we gather these kind of programs and thoughts process from our near and dear ones, because they may have some blockage of money in their life, which they transferred it to us, and as a soul, we received it. Then we will be learning about various tools by which we can increase our transactional powers. We become more productive, we become more attractive, we become a person who once say to people, they will accept it, they will like it, they will follow it. And once we become that person, making money becomes easy, not a hard work. You can do work for 1 or 2 hours per day and you can earn which a person can earn in 20 hours a day. It is as simple as that. I welcome you to the Money Reiki workshop. I wait for your enrollments, and be blessed always.